What's going on, guys? Today is just going to be a random vlog. We are here at Rhino and Lion Park, Lodge, Park, Nature Reserve, whatever they call it. Let me show you guys what it looks like here. We're going to take a mountain bike ride, take you guys on the trail with us, and then hopefully see whatever. We saw a giraffe literally on our way here, so we're going to stop there as well, try and get the giraffe in the footage as well. And yeah, as you can see behind me, all these cars, majority of them are basically cyclists, and we saw a lot of cyclists as well. So while we're getting ready, if you're brand new to my channel, you know exactly what to do. Click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, turn on all notifications. And at the same time, I want to ask you guys a question, or I actually want to challenge you. If you watch my videos and you are the first guy on my video, leave me a comment. See if you can leave the very first comment below every single video that I upload. I want to challenge you. You guys ready? Messian? Jy ready? Is jy? En
Maar, papa, neem my voet klaar nie.
is jy ready? Wees sharp. Sê vir hulle, sharp. Sê pipi is lekker. It's on the road, but a long stay with it. Just I must say we've been blessed with rain these days, eh? Like we are getting lots of rain. Ja, gaan maar reg dan. Ja, weet jy wat, gaan links. Ek dink dis hier ons vir alle restaurante en goed is. Ons kyk net, ons ry maar net miskien. We actually decided to take a turnaround and come back because we saw this, looks like a nice little mountain bike trail next to the main road that side. And it's beautiful. It's actually beautiful, my love. This is very nice. It's our first time here. I'm bringing you guys with me, all my followers, my YouTube fans, bringing you guys with me. Like I said, let's enjoy life together. That's lekker. Okay, hierso gaan ek bietjie met pedal om jou boot te kry. Oei. Sy. Ja, hier gaan ons weer lekker afkyk. Vroom. Lekker. Ja, alle eer aan ons Vader, né?
Ah, nee. Kom nou.
ons gaan die restaurant. Ons kan hier so ietsie eet en drink nou. Cutting this video short, we did 8.6 kilometers. My little one's moaning because his helmet's not right and he's tired, and so I understand because he sits still all the time. But I appreciate you guys watching this video with us. Comment below if you would like to join or maybe create or start a mountain bike group. I'd appreciate that. And then yeah, let's see. Oh, my lady also got hurt at the back of her. She's got some battle scars, but it's good. Yeah, so once again, I appreciate you guys for watching. Just have a wonderful day, a blessed day, and a blessed life.